尊敬的夏巴兹总理，尊敬的各位来宾、女士们、先生们、朋友们，很高兴出席今天下午的这个仪式。首先，我代表中国政府对瓜达尔新国际机场的竣工致以热烈祝贺，向中巴两国建设者致以由衷的敬意，向关心支持这一项目的巴基斯坦各界朋友致以衷心的感谢。
Your Excellency Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, friends, it is my great pleasure to attend today's ceremony. First of all, on behalf of the Chinese government, I'd like to extend warm congratulations on the completion of the new Gwadar International Airport and pay high tribute to both Chinese and Pakistani workers. I would also like to express heartfelt thanks to friends from all sectors of the Pakistani society for your care and support for this project.
瓜达尔新国际机场是瓜达尔港成为地区互联互通枢纽的关键一环。中巴两国建设者用了整整5年时间，在戈壁荒漠上建造了这座现代化的高等级的国际机场，体现了中巴精诚协作的高水平。
The Gwadar New International Airport is a critical step in building Gwadar Port into a regional hub of connectivity. In 5 years' time, Chinese and Pakistani workers have built this modernized, high-standard international airport in the desert. What they have achieved demonstrates the strength of China-Pakistan cooperation.
我相信新机场的启用将显著地提升瓜达尔地区对外联通的水平和条件，促进港航贸一体化发展，为巴基斯坦西部地区带来更多投资机会、贸易机会。
I'm confident that the inauguration of the new airport will significantly enhance the connectivity of the Gwadar region, catalyze integration of port, shipping, and trade services, and bring more investment and trade opportunities to Pakistan's western regions.
瓜达尔新国际机场也是中巴经济走廊建设进一步走向深入的重要标志。中巴经济走廊启动11年来，在双方通力协作下，已经收获显著成果，为推动巴基斯坦经济社会发展和地区一体化进程发挥了重要作用。
The Gwadar New International Airport is a symbol of the deepening of CPEC development. Since its inception 11 years ago, and through the concerted efforts of both sides, CPEC has produced significant outcomes and played a positive role in Pakistan's economic and social development and also regional integration.
中方愿同巴方一道继续努力，坚持共商共建共享，开放绿色廉洁高标准惠民生可持续，将中巴经济走廊打造成高质量共建“一带一路”的示范性工程。
China will continue to work with Pakistan to uphold the principle of planning together, building together, and benefiting together, engage in open, green, and clean cooperation, and pursue the goal of high standard, benefit to the people, and sustainability in order to make CPEC a model project of high-quality Belt and Road cooperation.
瓜达尔新国际机场还是我们中巴特殊关系、中巴特殊友谊的生动写照。在习近平主席和巴方领导人的战略引领下，中巴全天候战略合作伙伴关系正在不断的深化。中巴铁杆友谊经受国际风云变化的考验，独一无二，牢不可破。
The Gwadar New International Airport is also an epitome of the special relationship and friendship between China and Pakistan. Under the strategic guidance of President Xi Jinping and the Pakistani leadership, our all-weathered strategic cooperative partnership is constantly deepening. What we have is a unique and unbreakable, ironclad friendship that has stood the test of time, that has stood the test of changing international landscape.
面向未来，中国愿同亲密的巴基斯坦兄弟持续携手前行，加快构建新时代更加紧密的中巴命运共同体，更好地造福两国人民。
Looking into the future, China will continue to walk hand in hand with our intimate Pakistani friends and accelerate the building of a closer China-Pakistan community with a shared future for the new era and deliver greater benefits to people of both countries.
最后，衷心祝愿中巴友谊万古长青。谢谢，
To conclude, I wish China-Pakistan friendship everlasting. Thank you.
谢谢。